Welcome to another video of Asian Institute of Technology and Management. The LLB is an undergraduate degree in law that serves as the first step in the education and training of individuals aspiring to become lawyers and legal professionals. तो आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं LLB कोर्स के कुछ यूजेस, रिक्वायरमेंट्स एंड कैरियर ऑप्शंस. यूजेस ऑफ एन LLB डिग्री. First is legal practice. The primary use of an LLB degree is to qualify you for a career in legal practice. After completing an LLB, you typically need to pass a bar exam or meet other licensing requirements to become a licensed attorney or lawyer. Second is advocacy. Lawyers with an LLB degree can work as advocates representing clients in various legal matters including criminal, civil, family and corporate law cases. Third is legal consultancy. You can work as a legal consultant providing legal advice and guidance to individuals, businessmen or government agencies. Fourth is legal research. An LLB degree can lead to opportunities in legal research where you contribute to the development of legal theories, policies and regulations. Fifth is government and public service. Many government positions such as judges, prosecutors and legal advisors require a law degree like an LLB. Sixth is corporate sector. Corporations often hire lawyers with LLB degree to handle legal issues, contracts, compliances and intellectual property matters. Seventh is non-profit and advocacy organizations. Legal professionals with LLB degree can work for non-profit organizations and advocacy groups on issues like human rights, environmental protection and social justice. तो देर किस बात की, नीचे दिए हुए नंबरों पर आज ही कॉल या मैसेज करके आप भी अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन कराएं. आप इन नंबरों पर कॉल करके अपने डाउट्स को सॉल्व भी करवा सकते हैं. हम आपको सही कोर्स, सही स्ट्रीम और सही यूनिवर्सिटी चुनने में पूरी मदद करेंगे.